favor of Lawaan Dos. Number 8, Ali Cabo. Set the play. Look at the pass. Long pass. What a nice alley-oop.
Intercept again by Bacos. Bacos!
Aray ko. Videoin niya ko po sa mga alas 3. Dribbling the ball, puts it in, next shot. Number 6 dribbling the ball, looking to pass, number 8, number 8 looking to pass, back to number 8, tried to intercept, spin move, but no good. 14 saved the ball and basket count. Number 7 dribbling the ball, pass number 9, sets for 3, no good. Rebound, number 5 dribbling the ball, number 12, puts it in, basket counted. Sakit ang hawak. number 9, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 6. Number 9 tried to spin move, sidestep, and basket counted. Sidestep, what a nice move! You're good! Wala gihapon. Tumera ng 3, backhand!
Michael.
Wala kasi. Bacos dribbling the ball, pass to the big man, intercept, finds the move, basket. Number 10, long 3, no good. Save the ball, basket. Save the ball to number 14. Number 14 na mamadali si Bacos. Pass to number 9. Oh my God. Bacos, tumera ng 3. No good. Hindi pa ba number 14, 6-2. Yes sir. Number 14, set to play, looking to pass. What a nice sidestep move. Number 14 tries to finish. No good. Save the ball by number 13, number 13, number 14, number 14, pass to number 16. Looking to pass. Number 8 guarding the back cross. Pass to number 14, number 14. No good. Basket counted by 13. Okay. By Number 14, Abatayo, set to play, looking to pass. To number 6, dribble the ball, try to set, backward steal, pass break, what a nice layup! Hey, sheesh! Navaja, 13, number 6, spin move, pass to...
Intercept again by Bacos.
Kapit, mateknikal. What a nice play! Basket counted. Number 9, attempts for 3. No good. Strong rebound by number 14. Number 14 na mamadali. C, number 5, number 5. Intercept again. Bacos na mamadali. Guarding by number 3. Bacos pass number 1. No good. Number 9 again. Save the ball. Basket counted. Number 9. Number 8, Alicabo. Looking to pass to number 13 to the big man. Intercept. No good. Basket time. No good. Umera. No good. Number 5. Long pass. Basket. Our score 37-48 in favor of Lawan Dos. Bacos trim the ball. Pass number 9. Number 9 attempts to be no good. A strong rebound by number 23. Number 2 spin move. Yes, sir. Oh, kaya mani popcorn. What's that trip? Along score 39-50 in favor of Lawan Dos. Number 8, Alicabo. Set the play. Looking to pass. Long pass. What a nice alley-oop. Number 5. Number 3, Abatayo. Number 8, Alicabo. Dribble the ball. Tries to 3. Yes, sir. Ato ni silang kon kanang tuning anong siran ba kayo? para sa mabuhi ang Lanao. Char. Number 29. No good. Long pass intercept by number 9. Number 9. What a nice pass by number 9 to 7. Finish.
Up. Kita sa kapasahan, kipasa, tumaksak sa loob. Tumira ng 3. Bagam! Number 8.
Ipangduka na itong mga kauban nila. Number 1, wala, hiwi.
Kilabay sa number 9, number 8. No good. No good. Kaway no good. Wako na ipaul.
Number 23, sumaksak. Oh, no good.
Nagmamadali si number 3, number 3. No good. Finish. Not finish. Oy, may kasamang. Bakos na mamadali si Bakos, guarding by 2. Bakos. Yes, sir. Save the ball by number 23, number 23. So good. Long pass. Save the ball by number 9. Number 9. Nagmamadali si number 9.
Pass to number 22, tumera ng 3. Bagam! Kapoy man 6 tulya dire.
Bakos. And the shot to number 13. Bye-bye. Hey. Ano?
Number 23 to Bakos. Sumaksak sa gitna. Oy! Naglambingan. 13-second shot clock. Set of Peña Flor. Pass to the big man. Tumera ng 3. No good.
Itang paro sa bola. Nakuha sa number 13, number 13. Oy! What a nice lay up na 2 hands. Number 6. Number 4. Whoa! Sheesh! So number 4. Hey! Ganda yung toyok sila.
4:51-63. Fourth quarter. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 14. Tries to no good. Rebound by the big man of Nawados. Bakos spin move pass. Number 7 finish. Yes sir.
Number 8 na mamadalis. Number 8 guarding by number 9.
Long pass.
Back to number 6.
Up. Intercept again by Blancos. Say bye-bye.
Bang! Tumira ng 3. Camp control no good. Send the ball by Bakos. Lumamadali si Bakos. Guarding by to Bakos. What a nice pass by number 9. Good. Error. Ay, napakaangas. Time out na guys. Time out. Wala kaya po. Clap. Oy, putol.
Big man number 7 no good. Rebound. Long pass to Bakos. And there's a foul. Grabe yung sikat sa crowd.
Missouri, Buffalo.